The HoverAir X1 is a revolutionary flying camera designed to make aerial photography and videography accessible to everyone. Unlike traditional drones that require complex controls and training, the HoverCamera X1 is an intelligent, autonomous device that takes off from the palm of your hand and captures breathtaking shots with ease. Its ultra-lightweight and foldable design make it the perfect companion for anyone who wants to capture life's moments from a unique perspective without the hassle of a traditional drone. Effortless operation, the X1 redefines simplicity with its 3-second palm takeoff. With a single button press, the drone takes off from your hand and begins flying on its own. There's no need for a remote controller or a complicated setup, allowing you to focus on the moment while the drone captures the action. Intelligent flight paths. This flying camera is pre-programmed with multiple intelligent flight paths, including hover, follow, zoom out, orbit, and bird's eye. By simply selecting a mode, the X1 takes off and executes the flight path autonomously, making it incredibly easy to capture dynamic and cinematic shots without any manual control. Triple Stabilization System. The X1 ensures super smooth videos with its advanced triple stabilization system. This technology combines a gimbal, electronic image stabilization, and horizon leveling to deliver stable and shake-free footage, even in fast-paced or windy conditions. Unmatched portability, weighing a mere 125 grams, which is lighter than most smartphones, the HoverCamera X1 is exceptionally portable. Its foldable design allows it to fit easily into a pocket or bag, making it an ideal companion for travel, hiking, or any on-the-go adventure. The lightweight design also means it's exempt from FAA registration, adding to its convenience. Advanced tracking capabilities. The drone features an intelligent Follow Me function that utilizes advanced tracking algorithms to become your personal cameraman. It can track your every move at speeds up to 15 miles per hour, making it perfect for capturing sports activities like cycling, skateboarding, or running. High-quality imaging and internal storage. The HoverAir X1 supports a maximum video resolution of 2.7K at 30 frames per second and 1080p HDR, ensuring high-quality visuals. It comes with 32 GB of internal storage, eliminating the need for an SD card and providing a secure place for your photos and videos. In summary, the HoverCamera X1 is an innovative and highly user-friendly flying camera that simplifies aerial photography and videography. Its hands-free operation, intelligent flight paths, and triple stabilization system make it a fantastic tool for content creators and adventurers alike. The combination of its ultra-lightweight design, portability, and excellent image quality makes the X1 a truly revolutionary product in the drone market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and tutorials.